Welcome back. So good to virtually say hello to you. And I wanted to, one, give some space between the class for you to be able to play and take in the transformation that took place in the class that we had, and also wanted to follow up on the next steps. So you may be wondering in your head, like, Grace, I have so many ideas. I wrote down so many things. I don't know what to do next. How do I create this? How do I start creating sustainable income streams? It's a little bit overwhelming because I have so many ideas and not sure where to start. So the next step is really, this process is simple and easy if you allow it to be. One of the questions that I ask you to reflect on is, are you willing to have an easy life? Because that is what this process really creates, is having ease in your life. So the first thing I want you to do is just to relax, take a deep breath, and just get grounded and just be here in this moment right now. So any thoughts that you have, let them go. And what I want you to do is to bring your list back of the things that you love to do, that you wrote down, the exercise that we went through together. Once you have that list, it's real simple to determine what to actually create. A concept that I covered heavily throughout the class is following the energy, trusting your intuition, because your intuition is a guide. It will guide you to what to create, what is going to be easy for you, what is going to naturally attract clients based on the energy of the idea that would like to exist in the world. So all I want you to do right now is look at your ideas. And if you haven't written down a lot of them, go ahead, just empty your mind of all the ideas that you have. They could be big ideas, small ideas, it does not matter, just as long as you have some ideas. Once you have that list, you're going to create two categories. So two columns. One is a future category and one is an immediate. And what I want you to do is to go through your list and put the ideas you have in either a future or immediate. What goes into a future category? Future is, this is going to take some time to be able to create. I'm going to really have to sit with this. It may take 3 to 6 months. It's not something that I can create right away. Immediate is within the next 30 days. You know what? I can do this. This is an idea I can move forth with within the next 30 days. Don't want you to go in your head and start to figure it out. You're really following the energy. Just take your list of ideas and just each idea you have, put it in the future or put it in immediate. Don't think about it. Just follow the energy up. The idea will also speak to you. Your ideas will speak to you. Are you listening? So go ahead and do that and then come back to the next step.